Hello everyone, welcome to Page Vichheka. I am Sairong. Today we will continue to learn lesson 9 about Abraham part 1. In this video we will learn 3 words of countries together. Let's begin. First, Japan. Japan. Spell J-A-P-A-N. Japan. Example, I want to go to Japan. I want to go to Japan. Second, Australia. Australia. Spell A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Australia. Example, people in Australia like to eat bread. People in Australia like to eat bread. Third, England. England. Spell E-N-G-L-A-N-D. England. Example, England is an old country. England is an old country. Please review with me. First, Japan. Japan. Second, Australia. Australia. Third, England. England. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 3 words that we've learned and leave it in a comment so that we can have check. If you do it right, we will give thumb up. If not, we will have correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link above or below. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.